Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be solving the remaining questions of Innovative Biology Class 7 Plant Tissue, that is Chapter 1. Last day we have solved the questions from the answer the following questions in details, that is number Roman 3. We have solved the first question, that is mention the characteristic of meristematic tissue. Now today we will be starting from the second question. Name the type of simple permanent tissue in plants. Which of this type of plant tissues take part in photosynthesis? Next one, give roughness and rigidity to different parts of the plant. Is flexible and elastic in nature? The answer will be the types of simple permanent tissues of plants are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Coming to subdivision A, take part in photosynthesis, it will be chlorenchyma. Number B, it will be sclerenchyma, gives roughness and rigidity to different parts of the plants. And number C is flexible and elastic in nature, that is collenchyma. Coming to the third question, where are stomata present in plants? What is the function of stomata? Stomata are present in the epidermis layer of lower surface of leaves. They help in gaseous exchange for respiration and photosynthesis in plants. Next one, which tissue is responsible for the increase in length of a plant? Where is it located? The answer is meristematic tissues are the dividing tissues. They are responsible for the increase in length of a plant. They are located at the growing tips of roots, stems and leaves. Now coming to question number 5. Bring out one point of difference between parenchyma and sclerenchyma. So the one point of difference between parenchyma and sclerenchyma is that parenchyma is living while sclerenchyma is dead in nature. Next, coming to question number 6. Name the tissue which takes part in movement of water and minerals in plant. The answer will be xylem tissue takes part in movement of water and minerals in plants. Next one, number 7. What are the collenchyma tissues? Why are they so called? The answer will be chloroplast containing parenchyma is called collenchyma. They are called so because they have chloroplast in them and help in manufacturing food in plants. Now coming to the next one, that is Roman 4. Differentiate between the following. I have solved all the questions in the book itself so that it becomes easy for you. If needed, you can write it. If you have innovative biology, then you can solve it over there only, or else you can solve it in any other copy. Between xylem and phloem, on the left hand side xylem and on the right hand side phloem. Under xylem, water conducting tissue. Under phloem, food conducting tissue. Under xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. And under phloem consists of sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. Number 2, difference between parenchyma and sclerenchyma. On the left hand side we have parenchyma, on the right hand side we have sclerenchyma. Under parenchyma it's living cells, under sclerenchyma these are dead cells. Under parenchyma round or polygonal in shape, and over here in the sclerenchyma variable in shape. Under parenchyma thin cellulosic cell wall, and over here in sclerenchyma lignified secondary cell wall. Now coming to number 3, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Under simple permanent tissue consists of only one type of cell. Under complex permanent tissue consists of different kinds of cells. Next, number point 2, that is under simple permanent tissue actively dividing in nature, and in complex permanent tissue they are dead in nature. Point number 3, under simple permanent is found throughout the plant body, and over here under complex permanent tissue have restricted presence as it is found in the vascular bundle. Number 4, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. On the left hand side is meristematic and on the right hand side is the permanent tissue. Under meristematic, vacuoles are nearly absent, and over here under permanent tissue large centrally located vacuole. And under meristematic divide actively, and over here under permanent do not divide normally. Under meristematic, number 3rd point, cell wall thin and elastic, and under permanent cell wall is thick. And over here, check out over here students, that think critically I have not solved over here in the book itself because there is no place. Separately I will be solving and uploading it in the next video. Now coming to the diagram based questions. Over here, the first diagram, the figure is of collenchyma, the second one is of parenchyma, and third one is of the sclerenchyma. Now coming to the next diagram based question, that is identify the figure. This is the figure showing the the position of the meristematic tissue, the position of different meristematic tissue. Next, label the parts marked 1, 2 and 3. 1 is apical meristem, 2 is intercalary and 3 is lateral meristem. What are the functions of parts 1 and 3? Part 1, that is apical meristem, function is brings about elongation of stems and roots, and part number 3, that is lateral meristematic tissue, brings about increase in the diameter of plant organ. Now coming to the third and the last one, diagram based question. Here is given the LS, that is longitudinal section of a plant tissue. Identify the tissue. This tissue is of phloem. The tissue is phloem. Name the parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 is phloem parenchyma, 2 is sieve tube, number 3 is part 3 is companion cell, and number 4 part is the sieve plate. Which part works as a conducting channel for the plants? The answer will be sieve tube works as a conducting channel. So we have solved all the exercise questions, and only think critically is left, that I will be solving for you and uploading it in a separate video. So hope this will be helpful for you, and till then take care. Bye bye.